Hey everyone, welcome back. So for today's video, I'm going to talk about Ketu in Rohini Nakshatra. And if you want to know more details or you want to check out for the consultation and everything, you can just check out my description box below this video. So and also there's the email address. So I won't really go and email anyone. So if you email me, only that email address is the one that I use for my consultation. So let's go for the topic of today. So Ketu in Rohini Nakshatra. So first of all, Ketu is detachment and also Moksha Karka, and Rohini is ruled by moon and also favorite nakshatra for the moon. So if you have read the moon's story about Rohini Nakshatra and how he ignored all other wives of 27 nakshatras, and then how he get cursed, so you can understand this nakshatra more. And also, I just want to talk about Ketu in Rohini Nakshatra. What are the past life gifts that you can use in this lifetime? So, first of all, Ketu in Rohini Nakshatra, this can represent, obviously, these are the people who are very much critic about beauty and art. The thing is, we never know if your Ketu is in a good position or bad position. If it is in a good position, then this can help you to be a very constructive criticism that you can give for the art industry, for the beauty industry. But if this is in not so good placement, this can make the person to be very jealous about other people's beauty, about other people's talent, and they may suppress it, and the moment they want to talk or they want to say it out, it will come as a destructive criticism. So there's a difference between constructive and destructive. So constructive is something that you are trying to help someone, you are saying as a motivational way, you are supporting, but at the same time you are letting them know what are the things that they can improve. That is constructive. While destructive means, obviously, for example, we can see so many things even in social media nowadays, tons of destructive criticism is definitely happening, and it definitely may break someone's self-confidence, self-esteem, and they may doubt themselves, and they will feel sad to see certain comments. Even we ourselves have that own thing that we may have to see. So this is the main theme about Ketu in Rohini Nakshatra, which it can represent that the person really need to learn how to give constructive criticism. So the next thing is look where your moon placed in your chart. Read about moon cursed meteorological story. So I just said now. So Rohini is ruled by moon. So you have to see where is your moon. And also it is a very soft planet. So this can also represent the Ketu in a Rohini person can have very sensitive, very much someone, if they comment about their look or something, they may become very aggressive, or they may like argued about it if someone said something wrong about their look or their outfit or anything. So this can happen in Kedun Rohini Nakshatra. So the next thing is detachments and also boundaries in relationship is a must. So Ketu and Rohini can make a person, obviously Rohini can make very much attachments, very much very strong intimate relationship with the partners that can make the person to really all up in their head. So they are obsessed in relationship. That's the exact word that I can think. So Ketu in Rohini Nakshatra really needs to have that boundaries. Obviously Ketu will do that. Ketu will cut off that attachments, cut off that not boundaries, cut off that obsessions, cut off that possessiveness if it is not in limited ways or it is going overboard. It can turn into arguments, into disagreements, something that can turn into unwanted situations. So this can actually happen in Ketu in Rohini Nakshatra. So detachments and boundaries is a must, and this can also represent the person will learn it in their later life for people who have Ketu in Rohini Nakshatra. So it's a gift for you to learn that. And don't damage your Venus by rejecting art or beauty related things. Since Rohini is very much strongly, even though it's ruled by moon, it is also correlated with the Venus because of art and beauty stuffs. So this makes the person to look at your Venus nakshatra in your chart and where it is placed in your chart. So the thing is, don't damage the Venus, like rejecting the beauty or criticizing someone badly or saying certain bad things about art or beauty. If you have nothing good to say, then better don't say it. So the next thing is Ketu and Rohini. Rohini is very much known for their eyes, the beauty of eyes. Obviously, people who have Ketu and Rohini Nakshatra, they have very beautiful eyes. And this is another um, plus point that I will say, another gift that you have for people who are business people, or you are someone who need to achieve your business target or something, who are face to face. Then make eye contact to get the business deal. So this is one of the gift that you have for the people who have Ketu and Rohini Nakshatra and you are into sales and marketing. Then you want to attract your clients, your business partners, and you want to get that business deal. Make a very solid eye contact whenever you are doing a business deal. Whenever you are looking at someone, be self-confident and talk to them, and don't bow your head down, but stand up for yourself and look eye to eye with another person's and make a business deal. So this is one of the thing about Ketu in Rohini Nakshatra. Another thing about Ketu in Rohini Nakshatra is, when I say don't reject the art and beauty stuffs, it also means to say that these people can have very less hygiene, or they don't really dress up. No, for Ketu in Rohini, even though Ketu can makes you avoid it, but make sure you always dress clean, dress neat. You don't need to put makeup or anything, but you can always dress up in a modest way, in a neat way. So always keep your clothes clean, and always wear perfume. It actually makes the Venus good in this placement for Ketu in Rohini Nakshatra. So that's all for Ketu in Rohini Nakshatra, and I hope this one helps. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because that helps me a lot. And see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.